Okay guys, we're going to write a wholesale estimate. So click up here to the button that says wholesale estimate. And then we're going to go to our customer info. Go down to select from contacts. We're going to go to Ken's Car Lot. Alright, so once we click that, we have all of Ken's Car Lot information with their phone number and their email address. So we'll click done. You go to the rates if you need to change anything there. Everything looks good, so we'll click done there. And then we're going to go to vehicles. So we click vehicles. So we start down here at the bottom corner, add a vehicle. So we click this and it pulls up this. And then we go to scan the VIN. So if the doors are unlocked to the vehicle, you can open it up and scan it, and it'll put the VIN number in for you and the car information. Or you can type it in by hand. So we'll go with 2006 Buick Encore. And we'll just choose a color. Great. Now also here at the pricing model, you can do it per vehicle or per panel. That's your choice. So on this one we're going to do per vehicle. So we're going to go down and list our panels. So we're looking the vehicle over and we'll say the left fender. And how many dents it has, 2. We'll add another panel. Left quarter has 1 dent, we'll leave that. So now we're going to come up with our price. So we'll say this is going to be a $75 charge. And you can write notes, you can add multiple panels. We'll click, oh, the stock numbers also, I have to put that in. So let's say it's 17JY0. Done. And this brings this up. We'll do a second vehicle. 2015 Chevrolet Avalanche green. And we'll do $65 on that one. Some notes. Click done. Okay, we'll just say this is our list, but you can do a lot of cars on this. So, alright, so now we're going to click done. If you got an ROPO, which you'll probably do that after you do the vehicles, and see we also have notes section and then the customer's signature. Now we're going to go to our general manager or used car manager and click request dealer approval. He can either click on which car he would like. You could do this, or you could do approve all. Hit this button down in the left corner, or he could do just one of them. So we'll say he just wants the top one done, the 06 Buick Encore. So we will come down to the right bottom button, finalize. And it's going to give you a warning that if you click yes, it's going to erase the vehicle that you wrote that wasn't approved. So click yes, and there's our list. We're just going to do one car. And then we can also go up here to the top right corner. Instead of being an estimate, we can do an invoice build. And we can send them a statement for the month. And then once you get your check, you can do invoice paid. And also you can go down here, you can also print the list for them, you can preview it, or send it to them their email, and that's normally what I do. So we'll click this house, home button, and return to the main menu. And that is how you write a wholesale estimate.